Hi, this is Greg from Fizzics, and we wanted to put together this little video as a tutorial on how to clean and maintain your Waytap system. So, once you're all finished with your beer, you're going to go ahead and press the button to remove the canister from the system's base. Just set that aside for now. And we're going to take the canner bottle, rinse it out as if you were going to recycle it, get any residual beer out, and then go ahead and fill it all the way to the top with some warm water. That way it'll get all parts of the stainless tube that need to be cleaned that came into contact with beer. We're just going to load it up into our system base there and guide that stainless tube down into the opening. Lock it so that it's firmly secure, and we're just going to push forward like we were dispensing beer and run that warm water through for at least 5 seconds. You don't ever want to remove that stainless tube. That's meant to stay in there. If giving it a simple rinse like that will keep it maintained so that you don't need to get in there or remove it for any sort of extra cleaning. And we're going to set that aside to let it air dry. We don't want to put it back together and be damp. With the base of the system, since there's no electrical components, you can just go ahead and rinse that directly under the sink. Same with our antimicrobial drip mat. And then just a couple more points. Make sure that you never put the system canister or any other part of the Waytap for that matter in the dishwasher. Also, don't spray any water or chemical cleaner inside your system because there's electrical components in the top that will be damaged if there's any moisture that gets in contact. That's why all we have to do is really run water through the system. We don't want to actually fill or get anything wet in there except for that tube itself that comes in contact with the beer. So just let that air dry overnight and you're good to go. Cheers.